Hello there, this is Anna. I am going to do a weekly review on ES, MQ, and RTY. And, let me see. I'm hoping I'm sharing the things that I need to share. There it is. So this is an ES. So if we are looking at weekly range, so here is the pivot 4360. We need to go above that. The market's actually opening right now, and it looks like we need to close above here. The 65 area will be closed. Now, if I'm gonna trade here at tomorrow, we go bullish. I'm aiming for the high of right here at the 90 and the 4400 area. That will be I'm looking at. But if you want to do 7 days, the weekly range. So here is the 4440, and then the pivot of 4279, and also maybe the lows. So that's how I would do my trade if I'm gonna do um an IC. It would be above this level here, 4440. So I would take this recent pivot from a week before, so 4461, and then this level here at the 1618 to 4250. We are moving the ATR on a weekly in ES is 110. And so you want to make sure that you have those wiggle around 110 to 120 if you're going to do a weekly range of condor. But otherwise, for now, I am aiming about the 4400 there, and then here at the 4383 in ES. If you want to do SPX, and that is equates to, so 42, I don't know what that equates to. 40, SPX is probably 40, it's probably 8 points above or 7 points above, something like that. So you need to kind of convert it as far as the range on the ES and SPX. So that's ES for you. Let's look at NQ. So the NASDAQ here, it's in a downtrend. Okay, but we already broke this trend line right here. This drawn trend line is connected to, I don't really need this ATR. But if you want to know the ATR, the NASDAQ is like 120. Okay, so that's like the potential move that you can maximum profitability, I guess. But anyway, so what I was saying is that this trend line here, this top here, and this here, that's what you need to connect. If that broke that line right there, then that's bullish, all right? So now what's what? Okay, I'm looking at the 14,904, that's the weekly target would be, it could definitely happen tomorrow. Okay, because the NASDAQ can move up to double the ATR, 120, 150 to even a 200 and to 240, 250 ATR move. So I'm looking at 906 there. Or so that would be if that have that target. So if we go, the only thing that I'm worried about, okay, so we did reach that target, right? If we're going below that and make an end pattern the next day, then that will be short. All right, so but otherwise, if we go back to the mean, I think I really think that this is not done moving down, because this could be the start from high to low. If you're going to do a longer Fibonacci retracement, this is how you would do it. Let's go see how we're going to do that. It would be, so here you go, hold on. So here, this was going to be the high. So we have we still have a lot of ways to go. You know, I'm looking at here affording so right extension. I'm looking at 252 area, you know, I'm looking at 569. Did we reach 569? We did reach 569, 1272 extension. And that's the support right here. Well, not close, but I'm saying that that is somewhere like support in the previous level. Okay, so let's go here. So here, that would be right here at this area before back in July. So now the trend is broken. So well, I'm not going to be, here's the bullish, you know, real here we need to get back to the 15,250 for this to really, for the bulls to really go higher. That's the condition off of that, because the trend is broken there. We need to get above that. Otherwise, you know, for the next day, if it's just me, I'm looking at this target here, this pivot here on weekly pivots is like the 900 area. And then this trend line right here, the 15,080, we might even hit that level, and because that's about right the 618 level from, you know, a couple of days. So that's how you do like small time frames, small this is a 4-hour chart. So you need to be looking at like small time frame, but also consider the higher trend line and where it's like the cutoff, or where is it going to go as far as the moving portion of it. But you know, it's starting that this is like above the VWAP or for now. So I'm going to read myself again. I'm going to be looking at 900 tomorrow. All right, if they fall below that 900, then I would short, and I probably would target the 740 areas. Hold on a second. Yeah, 740 to 712 again. We have some support over there. 743 on the 100%, and there's another like support right around here, the 718 level. So that's that. This 900 area is a very important line also for weekly pivots for the NASDAQ. And then, you know, like I said, we need to like tread higher there. Normally October, you know, we have some good October through November. So let's just see what happened. But otherwise, I'm bullish for tomorrow. And 900s are my calling, and probably the 15075 there. So that's the NASDAQ. Let's go to the Russell. So the Russell is all over the place. And what I did here is like, you know, kind of looking at, all right, so where is this definitely going? So this here is connected to whatever the high on the recent day. So this is the high here, and this is the recent high. So the reason you want to do that is you want to know where is the peak of the trend line. So whenever, you know, that reaches that part, then it didn't go past it, or it passed it and then go back to that line, that's going to be short. So this is the same thing here. So we are at 2238. So we're kind of a little bit moving, but that would be a good target, 2254 there, and the 2271 for tomorrow. If we go back, let's say we fall, I'll be aiming at the 2233 area and the 2220 there. All right, so that's what I have for you. You guys have a good night. Thanks.